Hey, hi Divya, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. Nice that you are here. I'm
Thank
so
you.
glad.
Yeah,
You
because
try to
I-
manage.
Actually, we are
The
early
kids,
risers.
kids are, they are fine. They are enjoying with the time and all. They are excited to
they're
come
excited,
school.
yeah.
So how's everything? And
We are blessed because we were in Thailand.
yes,
So when we were in Thailand, my elder one, Nivya, started schooling. She started her studies in IB.
okay, there in
There
Thailand.
in Thailand.
Okay,
Because either it was Thai board, which was completely in Thai language,
okay,
or we have to opt for the international boards. So in international, there is Cambridge, there is IB, but we went for the IB because so it was a kind of blessing for us because we don't have much options.
Yeah.
And the nearest school by our vicinity was an IB school. So
Okay.
we opted that, and once we kids were growing, we started learning how beautiful it is
yes,
and how practical, focused.
in a fun way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then we realized it's a much better way to learn and teach.
True. So, do you know like this school is also Cambridge board they follow?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a mix.
So my daughter is in MYP 4, and next year she'll be appearing for the boards.
Boards,
So
yes.
she need to choose in between IB and Cambridge.
IGCSE, yes. Okay, Divya, what happened like when you came Indore and then what problem you faced?
It's been Choitram or like IB, which allowed us to come back to Indore.
Oh,
It
wow.
was never Indore first and IB, like the school second. It was always first thing was like choosing
School.
a IB school, then choosing a city. So me and my husband are from MP,
Okay.
and you know the pandemic. How
yes,
it was.
yeah,
It was so
yeah,
sad.
yeah.
So then we realized that we should be moving nearby to our parents, to our
Okay, yeah.
family.
Okay.
So it's when we decided. First thing was we don't wanted to change our kids' curriculum.
Yeah, that
So
affects.
we
yes.
searched, and my husband got a liberty to work from anywhere.
Okay.
So that's how we decided. Okay, it's better to go nearby to our parents.
Parents.
So then we were looking for the school. My first concern was that I will never change my kids'
Curriculum, yes.
So because otherwise CBSE it's very competitive. If you speak about other boards, least practical approaches is there. Then when I got to know that there is a school in Indore, then I said, okay, I'm fine moving to Indore, and it is
Yeah.
nearby to our place.
Your place, yes.
So that is how we came to Indore.
Okay.
So
you explored this school
yes,
in Thailand,
yes.
Okay.
We researched all IB schools in India.
in India.
And then we narrowed down our research. Then we got to know that Meenal was the
yeah,
coordinator.
she was there, yes.
So she organized everything for us. We
Okay.
wrote a mail, and then
she reverted
reverted back to us
Yeah.
and arranged, because it was still the COVID was going on.
Yes.
So it was online interaction with us, with kids.
Okay.
And then enrollment was done.
Okay.
In fact, after coming back to India, also a few classes were online. Post-COVID, it was a different experience for her, for Nivya specifically, because when
She's in little higher grade. Yes.
when she stopped going to school, offline schools, that time it was in Thailand, and when she started
Came here, a new
campus,
area,
new school.
yes.
So when she started post pandemic, she started a school which was a different school.
Yes.
But the beauty of the curriculum is that she never find it different.
yeah, the basics like inquiry based
Yes.
or promoting international mindedness.
See, because it's a different country,
Yes.
and people are coming from different part of the world.
True.
So kids are getting more exposure to different nationalisms
Cultures.
and different
Cultures.
different languages.
Right.
Because someone might be from
Africa.
Australia, US,
Yes.
UK,
Right.
even African countries.
Countries, yes.
So they speak, their native languages are different.
Yeah.
And those languages are introduced to the kids, because when kids
Oh,
play,
so many languages.
so many languages.
Really in school.
But school have a particular set of the languages
Yeah.
which they used to cater, like
What language? Mandarin, Spanish,
German was
German.
there, and Thai was also there, and French.
Yes. So,
So-
these are the global languages.
Major
French,
global language.
Spanish, Mandarin.
Yes.
These three are, and German.
German.
So these are the main global languages.
So they were introduced to these things and all. So that is one thing which we miss out here. Though
Yeah.
we are still be able to have many kids who are coming, traveling around the globe and
Yes.
coming back to this place.
Yes.
Like we came, other parents are also there
Exactly.
who are coming.
Tell me how this school promotes multilingualism.
So like this
And then
is
we'll
school
come to that point.
also cater to lot many languages.
Yes.
Like French, Sanskrit, Hindi.
Yes.
So these are basic because Sanskrit is a different language and it is said to be mother of all languages.
Yeah.
So yes, we this is school give us. Lot many kids are coming here. So like I know few kids who know already German. They can
Yes.
speak
Yes.
French. My daughter is doing French since grade 2 and she's in grade 9 right now.
So she is fluent.
She is fluent. In India also, it is so diverse.
Yes.
So lot many people are having lot many different mother tongues.
Exactly.
Like Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi and all.
Yes.
So we are studying that.
Yes.
Kids are learning that. We even last year, if I remember, we started a mother language group.
Yes,
like
right.
club, if I
Yes,
remember
yes. Mother
correctly.
language club.
Yes.
And
Every
how
year-
about the classes are, with the countries?
So yeah, that is
Yes.
how we learn. That is the beauty of
Yes.
IB that we learn.
And now
one
Nivik is
thing.
also learning Chinese.
Yes, he's
Yeah?
learning. Yes,
Yes.
how he says. I
Ni
think
hao,
every
I-
time he
I-
greets you.
yes,
Yes,
yeah.
I remember.
Yeah. When you enter, they will wish you in Chinese. Ni hao, ta chia.
Interesting fact: a kid up to age of 7 or 8, they can learn approximately 14 languages simultaneously, and they can speak. So it is like if I speak to them in English, they'll speak to me, reply back to me in English.
In English,
And
yeah.
If you're standing beside me and if you're speaking in Hindi or French, they'll reply back to you in Hindi or in French.
Right.
So their brain is tuned like that. So
Yeah.
it's just we have to introduce them.
Exactly. My child is, learning to be international mindedness or learning multilingualism, languages.
So like we organize so many events.
Yes.
Like Chinese Day celebration.
Yes,
Or like French Fiesta, as we said.
we do.
So even Hindi Divas for that instance.
Yeah.
So lot many languages we are learning. Even their assemblies they are organizing. Music also have a language.
Yes.
So we introduce music.
Yes.
And in different music in different languages. Other day they had assembly. My son Nivik was having assembly.
Yeah.
So they used 5 different languages in their assembly.
That's awesome. And have you heard about student exchange
Yes.
program? So
Yes.
that's, I think, one exposure where our children, they got
And not only children, I guess teachers too.
Teachers, yes.
Because last I saw your post on Insta was
Yes.
I think teachers
teacher
from Nepal?
exchange, yeah, Nepal.
Yes.
They all
that
came
was,
here.
I could not come to
Yeah.
attend that, but yes.
They
I
came
saw
for
that.
1 week. That time, coincidentally, we had teachers' annual function.
Oh.
And they danced Nepali dance.
Wow.
They were in some classes. They saw how our teachers, they teach. And even one lesson was assigned to them
Okay.
where they taught our kids.
Oh wow.
So that's how the teacher exchange
Yes.
and student exchange also.
Yeah, it was there. So I think Vietnam.
Vietnam,
Spain. Yes.
Yeah. So, even they get exposure, how to talk, and, their accents.
Not only language, but through these exchanges, we exchange the culture.
Exactly.
And once we are in IB, we also talk about
Globally
the
minded.
global minded, and we
Yes.
talk about the integrity, caring, all these aspects. So see, Aparna, what we want from our kids right
Yes.
now,
Yeah.
we want them to be successful, polite, humble human being who can lead the world.
Yes.
Right. So this will not be developed in a day.
Yes.
It has to be nurtured slowly and gradually.
Yes.
And that work has to be done on the daily basis.
And Divya, I must tell you, this is the beauty of IB. We try to keep our root here, but at the same time, we want our children to become global citizens.
Yes.
So we try to make them understand others' culture, but ethics, values, that is globally, it's same.
Same everywhere. They are
Same.
same.
So do they reflect even at home?
Yes.
With
very
families?
much. Yes,
Let's-
very much. See, like I'll show you very for this week homework.
Yes.
Hardly basically IB is not a homework loaded
Yeah, we
system.
don't do. Yes, we
So
are
homework, so pleasant homework comes to us.
Yes.
With which kids are also happy and we are also happy. The homework was to watch a video.
Okay.
And just watch a video. And video was some 1 minute, and it showed winters are approaching and how people struggle in the winters.
Okay.
It showed only that. After watching that video, Nivik was like, "Mama, what can we do for them?"
Oh wow.
So
the thought
Thought,
by watching that.
yes, that
Okay.
I have the feeling of empathy,
Yes.
the caring.
Yes.
That is what we want in our kids. So I thought we can give something to them. If they're on road, we can give blankets or we can share the warm clothes. He said, "Good idea, Mama. Can we bought them for new one?"
Oh,
I
wow.
said, "Why not?
Wow.
If we are blessed that much, we should share it." Yes.
You know, I'm really happy to know that Nivik is grown so empathetically, you know.
Yes.
And how about Nivya?
Amazing.
She is getting ready for the university. You know, we have a global university fair
Yes.
in our school.
Yes. Every year we have
Every
this.
year we have global university fair.
Yes. She has started preparing. Yes, because she's in
She's
NYP
getting
4.
ready, yeah.
She's getting ready.
And even in the bus, I always hear, you know, like, I want to do this, that. So, you know, I feel good that children are becoming mature.
See,
And
I'll
they are
tell you
very-
one thing. Why I always wanted my kids to be in IB. Here comes the answer, because it is a system which makes your kid independent
Yes.
and self-aware.
True.
Like most of the parent, if you see, they have to say, you become engineer or you become doctor or you become
Yeah.
entrepreneur. In this system, kids will choose on their own.
Own, yes.
And appropriate time is given to them. Right
Yes.
now she's in grade 9.
Right.
If she has started already thinking about what she want to be,
Yes.
so by the time she is passed out from the school,
She will be sure
prepared.
about herself.
She'll be prepared. She
Yes.
might have got some university, or she will be going globally or even domestically be also, but she will be ready by her own.
Yes.
That's what it is. Like you raise a independent child who is very much holding
On their own.
on their own and holding their values.
Yes.
The whole
By
strong
holding their values,
values.
and they have their own voice, choice, and ownership.
Correct. So basically, as we say now, if you build a strong foundation, sky is the limit.
Yes.
So that is very true in their cases also, because the foundation is being strong, and now I'm just limiting the sky.
Yes.
Wow, what a
That's-
crowd.
Yeah, they're all getting ready.